The defense lays out its case in the trial of a woman accused of killing her ex-husband, a former Exeter police officer. Her lawyer makes some serious claims today about the victim. Good evening. Thanks for tuning us in. I'm Ken Malloy.
And I'm Catherine Herr. Daniel Green was found shot to death in his home in February of 2015. Prosecutors showed numerous videos and audio recordings yesterday placing Green's ex-wife, 33-year-old Erica Sandoval, at his home just hours before. CBS 47's Medeiros Babb joins us outside the courthouse in Medeiros. Sandoval's attorney says she feared for her safety and the safety of her son around her ex-husband, the victim in this case.
Yes, that's right. This morning, during Dan Chambers' opening statements, he said to the jury that he's not going to argue what happened, but rather why it happened. He says the evidence that he plans to bring forward shows that Green dehumanized Sandoval.
Dominance, manipulation, abuse.
This morning, Chambers pleading his case to the jury. He says there were many times Daniel Green, a former Exeter police officer shot dead in 2015, where he was physically and psychologically abusive to his ex-wife, Erica Sandoval.
Had a lot of anger issues.
According to Chambers, there were many abusive instances, but he directly referred to two, one in 2010 and another in 2011.
In one of those instances, both of them were arrested and taken to jail.
Chambers says Green was paranoid and obsessed with recording conversations he would later use to threaten to take custody of their son.
He made the ultimate threat, at least to a mother. That is, I'm going to take your child, because I can.
At the end of his opening statement, he played audio from 2013. We are not airing this audio because it is very explicit, but you can hear in it a baby crying, Sandoval demanding Green give her son back to her. Says she hits him. They both yell and curse at each other before Green says Sandoval needs to go to jail and has everything to put her there.
Mr. Green provokes, gets her, and it follows with a threat.
Now, the prosecution did bring several witnesses up to testify. One of them was a sergeant who said that after Sandoval was arrested, Sandoval asked the sergeant to kill her, and when she said that she would not do it and to consider her son, Sandoval said that the son would already know that she killed his daddy. Reporting live from Visalia, Medeiros Babb, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.